Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. In today's video we are going to talk about a new topic in our grammar book. So first, before starting our video, I have to say that subscribe to my channel, and so don't forget to like my video and share my video to your friends and family. Now, firstly, we will talk about the previous classes. In previous classes, we have learned so many stories, and from a long time, we have not started with the grammar. Means with the grammar dictionary words means with the grammar part. Just we were going with the reading part. Now we are going to start our grammar part. In grammar, we has superlative and comparative degree. What is superlative degree and comparative degree? So basically, superlative degree and comparative degree are the grammar things which we has in grammar. And now I will show you what is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used for explaining explaining the subject. Subject means not subject, an object means and knowing about that thing, knowing about that stuff means like we have a chair. Now how we will explain to others who doesn't know chair, what is an chair. We will explain like this is an wooden thing with and wooden chair. It is named as an chair, and it has brown color or black and so many various colors which are available in plastic. And this is our wooden chair. You can sit comfortably on this chair, and it is also handheld and portable. You can take anywhere. You can take it anywhere. No need of taking sofas or beds for sitting. This chair is very portable and handled and portable for your life. Like this we will explain to others. Now in this superlative degree, this happens. Means in superlative degree also the same situation and the same situation and same topic happens. Like this our comparative degree. Now what is comparative degree? Comparative degree means comparative degree means which is used for comparing, which is used for comparing. Now for how, for what things it is used for comparing, what things used for comparing. Like example, in previous class, in the science class, I guess, yeah, science class, we have talking about an key table, which is an key difference table. Means in that table we used to explain the topics, which we explains the topic, and we talk about that topics by comparing them, you comparing them. So yeah, like in that topic we have talking about the physical change and chemical change. What are they? What are the difference between them? We will compare them. Yeah. So how we will compare? Like what are the physical change? First we will talk about the what is the both things, and what is the difference between them. Like for changing the face or shape or the texture of this object, we used to you use chemicals to do that by reaction. But in physical we used to do by a force of another things, like and force of push pull or squeeze or crushing it, destroying it. By destroying it, crushing it, we will change the faces and shapes and texture of the objects. So like this we used to compare the things. So like this the comparative degree works. Now Their superlative degree and comparative degree is formed. It is the main plot of the adjective. Means in adjective you can see we used to explain the things. By in adjective we used to explain the things by showing them, by making them to peoples, and we explain them. So yeah, this all we will do in our superlative and comparative degree. For example, this Rahul bought an stick which was shallow and hollow, which was having hollow stem, hollow and broaded stem in it. And then Mr. Bismillah Ustad Khan was awarded as the civilian award, like this. We will add the we will see the superlative and comparative degree. Now, what is the main twist? How to describe that the situation, the line is that line is comparative or superlative. The line is superlative or comparative. For defining that, in comparative, most of the lines are made up of and most. And beautiful means most, um, most are the made up of the means are used in the last words of the comparative degree. And for superlative degree we used to explain it, used to describe it. So like this, our comparative and superlative have different difference between them. So now I have to say you that uh, I have to talk about our previous class. In previous class, what we have learned. So basically, in 2 days previous class, we have learned about the music, the role of the what is the who is the Mori, and we have learned about the solitary reaper. Firstly, I will talk about the who was the Mori. So basically, the Mori was an author and a professor, which was an professor which used to teach the students of the college, and he was a beloved professor for the all students. And one time he used to make the shows, and 16 years ago, one lovely student was there of the Mori, and he promised that we will meet after the 16 years, 16 60 years again. So after he saw the Modi show, who was explaining and doing activities like human affection, dancing, singing, reading, writing activities, human activities shows was there. And when the author means the Mitch album is our author. When the Mitch album saw the our Mori, then he used to remember that they have making a promises for meeting again. So like this, the Mitch album was very curious to go meet the Mori. Now, after some time, he meted the Mori, and he talked with the Mori on the first meet. And after that, they used to meet every Tuesday to Tuesday. And after some days, the Mori passes away. After getting passes away, he has told that the Modi said on his first meet that we can't change the culture. We can't change the culture, and people good don't think good about themselves, and we are we have no enough to we have to be strong enough to say that if the culture doesn't work, we don't want to buy it. We will repair it, and we will make our culture kind, obedient, and mannerful and disciplined culture. Like this line was said by the Mori, and then he said the whole story about the Mori, what was routine of the Mori, what mission did the Mori did for the poor peoples. Like this, we have learned in our this video, this story. Now, in our solitary reaper, we have talked about the story which was an of a sir and a girl who used to cut the grains and tie them. And he was once upon time the William Wordsworth was going through the hill, and he saw the that lady in the valley's field working and by singing song and cutting the grains and working for that. And after that he noticed that the song was the too melodious to hear. And William liked that song so much, and William loved with the with that song. After some time he passes away from that hill, but the song was still here, still playing in his heart. Means that song was very heart touching to the William. And William basically, why the William likes that song, because William used to loves used to listen about the rural stories, the wars, the lost and loves, and the pain and stress of the life. To reduce that and to remember that all, Mori used to love this all. So that's why the song make us to remember, and used to for remember and for that all. And being reducing for reducing stress also, that song was better for the Mori. That's why the Modi liked that song and the story about and this solitary reaper. So I hope you understand what I have talked about this in the video, and I am explaining the whole topics. Means daily I am trying to explain my all topics which we are learning daily in daily life. Mean I am covering previous classes two topics. In previous two classes what I have explained, I have I have to I have covering means I am summarizing it in the main class. So I hope you understand what was our story and what is the superlative and comparative degree. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.